Okay, so I have, this is one of the ammo cans I bought last night. These are like super cheap too, so, um, what I think I'm gonna do with this one, medical kit. That was a medical kit. You can put your ammunition, fishing gear, electronics, camera equipment. But yeah, let's see what type of ammo box this actually is. Like, this looks like it's like 9mm. Honestly, I'm guessing, but yeah. Um. So yeah, yeah, I could put a lot of medical gear in here because if y'all didn't know, this is filled to the brim. Okay, this can get this bad boy. Let me just show y'all. It well, I can do this. Um, yeah, but this is packed to the gills, as you can see. It's even holding the kit, the sorter kit. Yeah. I decided also, yeah, for that kit to add something else. Um, I'm gonna be adding this for snail wire since it's 9 feet of each. And it's cheaper than the couple wire. Um, I'm gonna be adding this to it, add more hunting and fishing options, and this. Right? I mean, I do have an actual fishing kit, but that's dedicated for fishing. So yeah, um, as you can see, this puppy, you know, this woof woof is can carry a lot of stuff, as you can see. So I was thinking, if I was in a post-apocalyptic situation, what is something I would want? Oh wow. Oh wow. Put this back in here. Put this back in here. This. That could kind of be used. That little knife could be used as a scalpel, actually. One more night. These were the memories, even though they weren't so great. Why am I singing that song? Yeah. Oh, let me just show y'all just in case y'all don't know what I'm talking about for dedicated fishing kit. Real quick. Yeah. I have a first aid kit in here too, but you know. This is the dedicated fishing kit. This, if y'all remember, this came in the other um, um, stocking thing. Literally, this has all you need to fish. Honestly, so you know. Where did the other stuff go? Okay. I might actually also in a post-apocalypse situation. I'm probably gonna add this because there's probably gonna be plastic bottles everywhere, literally everywhere. So yeah. One more night, these are the memories. Yeah. Um, I don't ever put these on anything. I just collect them. They're nice to collect. If you can find these, I recommend these because they, yeah, no. Like honestly, um, I've been eating a lot of like. There's a good reason. Also, why I'm eating a lot of like fish, like tuna, because that's anti-inflammatory, and I have osteoarthritis. So yeah, but yeah, a I figure a first aid kit in this puppy. It sounds like it's a 9mm one. Doesn't tell me what it is. It just says hold 6 to 8 boxes of standard ammo, which I'm not gonna use it for ammo. I mean, I could put my babies in it and go. I don't know how many of these puppies I could put in here. Ah, but yeah. Warning, this product can expose you to blah 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 blah. Who literally? Can we quit with this bullcrap? The stupid warning of it's known to cause cancer in California. Everything's known to cause cancer in California. Let's just go Anyway, from Postbox Survival, thanks for the Wasteland. Peace.